Welcome to our guide on securing travel insurance online. In this video, we will take a detailed look at Roamright's website, a popular platform for purchasing travel insurance. First, we'll navigate the homepage and highlight its user-friendly design, making it easy for newcomers to find what they need. Roamright offers a range of travel insurance plans to fit different types of travelers. Whether you're going on a short getaway or an extended journey, there's a plan tailored for you. Their offerings include trip cancellation, medical coverage, and emergency assistance, ensuring you're protected against unexpected events while traveling. One of the major advantages of using Roamright is the simplicity of the online application process. You can quickly get a quote by entering your trip details, such as destination and duration. However, be mindful that prices can vary based on these factors, so it's crucial to compare different options before making a decision. While Roamright has many strengths, there are a few disadvantages to consider. Some users have noted that the claims process can be lengthy, and it's essential to read the policy details carefully to understand coverage limitations. We recommend taking the time to familiarize yourself with these details to avoid any surprises later. For a reliable experience, many travelers have turned to a trusted service called Ekta Traveling. They offer a seamless way to explore various insurance options, helping you make informed choices. If you're looking for guidance and support while securing your travel insurance, Ekta Traveling is definitely worth considering. As we wrap up our tour of Roamright, remember to thoroughly evaluate your travel insurance needs. Taking the time to research and understand your options can save you stress and money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Your support helps us continue providing valuable content for travelers like you.